Alright, this is the elevator here at Flatiron Hotel. We got TKE here. I think going to 9 might work. I have a feeling the basement might be locked. It's a 2012. I don't know what it was originally. It's a cab view, this thing. I think this used to be an old historic elevator. Let's see. This one's on 2023. There's also historic elevators here as well. And let's check out this view outside. A view from Asheville. Boy, it is sunny. And a lot of buildings here. And this is the safe store. And here's the rooftop restaurant. And it looks like this just left. And I'm not going there, but this is the stairs, exactly. And of course, here's the plan. We're back. Taking a while. And it is busy. Oh, yes. Another one. Oh wow, that's a nice LED. See what you can see out here. No, they cannot. It's a nice. Yeah, this is a nice cab. We'll be stopping at 4. You're welcome. Yeah, one. And I'm just gonna show you this. Yeah, we do. And here's the historic elevators, which do not work, which are manually operated. And
Hello guys.
here's this. There's the call button. That's it.